my soul, and every day I grow to love you. You hold my life in your hands, draw me closer to you. I feel your power in you. Nothing compares to this place where I can see you face to face. I worship you. Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough for me. Great is your love and justice, yes, strong. You lead us in the song of your salvation, and all your people sing along. Nang di kayang tumbasan, niyakap mo ko sa aking karunihan. Iniibig mo ako nang di kayang tumbasan.
Now, yeah, because this is not the real battle. This is not yet the real battle. Yeah, because this battle. Yes. Yes. Oo. Magugulat ka, bumabait. Biglas ka ng ating Panginoon. If you love them, pray for them, your brothers and sisters, yung mga inyong anak, your cousins, all of your relatives.
Ng bawat awit ka. It's a song kung paano mo kami pinatawad. Paano mo kami tinanggap. Sa kabila ng karumihan namin. That this church, truly the name home, ay patuloy na nilalagay mo sa heart namin. Na kahit ano, ka-worst ang sitwasyon namin, kaya mo kaming baguhin. Kaya mo kaming baguhin, Panginoon. Lord, salamat God na this is not an accident. I thank you, Jesus, that Lord, sa simpleng kantang ito, nararamdaman ko ang puso mo para sa amin lahat. Oh, we are, oh God, that you are so mindful of us, who we are in you, Jesus, that you care for us, who we are in you, Panginoon, that Lord, even hindi pa namin pinagpipray, iniisip pa lang namin, you have answered our prayers, you have heard our cries, and you are the God who will always deliver us, rescue us, and change us. Panginoon, tonight, oh God, through your message, oh God, to Brother CJ, I